Hi, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, June 9th, and I hope you had a good time learning about giraffes yesterday. Today is Elephant Tuesday, and we are going to learn all about elephants. Today, first grade zoologists will investigate what elephants eat, how they live, and how they interact with their habitats. Let's begin. Remember, a zoologist investigates what animals eat, how they live, and how they interact with their habitat. Elephants are the biggest animals that live on land. An adult elephant is much bigger than a truck and can weigh up to 14,000 pounds. Wow, that is so heavy. There are two kinds of elephants, the Asian elephant and the African elephant. They have the same body parts, but they are different. African elephants are bigger than Asian elephants. Check out the pictures I've included on the slide. Do you notice what is different or the same about these elephants? Take a close look. African elephants live in deserts and plains where the weather is very hot and dry. They have big ears and wrinkly skin that help them with the heat. Their big floppy ears and their wrinkly skin helps them stay cool. Asian elephants live in cool, shady jungles with a lot of trees and a lot of leaves. Unlike the African elephant, Asian elephants have smooth skin and small ears. They don't need wrinkles and floppy ears to stay cool. Look at the pictures. Can you tell which is the African elephant and which is the Asian elephant? Tap your smart brains. Pause the video if you need more time. The picture on the top is a picture of an Asian elephant, and the picture on the bottom is a picture of an African elephant. Did you get that right? Give it a dab. Just like giraffes, elephants also live in herds. That means a group. Elephants have trunks. An elephant's trunk is very useful. Trunks help elephants do many things, like eating, scratching, hugging, and staying cool. What are some of your favorite elephant facts that you learned today? Your task for today is to answer the following questions. Number 1, in what ways are African elephants and Asian elephants different? And number 2, tell us about an interesting fact you learned about elephants today. Don't forget to upload your work.